Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha states, during the month of Hajj, season of Hajj and nights of Hajj, we set out along with Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. When we reached Sharif, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam went to his companions and said, "Whosoever of you does not have a sacrificial animal, and he wishes to convert this ihram into that of Umrah, can do so. And whosoever has got a sacrificial animal must not do so." Amongst those who did not have the sacrificial animals, some followed this command and some did not. However, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam had a sacrificial animal, and some companions were along with him who could afford the sacrificial animals. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam came to me while I was weeping. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam asked, "Why are you weeping?" I said, "I have heard whatever you have told your companions. I have heard about Umrah." He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "What do you have to do with it?" I submitted, "I cannot perform prayer." He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "You will not lose anything due to it. You should remain engaged with Hajj rituals. It is expected from Allah Jalla Jalaluhu that He Jalla Jalaluhu may grant you Umrah as well. In fact, you are also one of Hazrat Adam's daughters, and Allah Jalla Jalaluhu has destined for you what He Jalla Jalaluhu has preordained for other daughters of Hazrat Adam alayhi salam." Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha said, "I remained engaged performing Hajj rituals until we reached Mina. I got purified there. We then made the circuit of the house. Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam reached the Muhassab valley, sent for Hazrat Abdul Rahman bin Abi Bakr radiyallahu anhu and said to him, 'Take your sister away from sanctuary so that she may wear ihram for Umrah and then perform the circumambulation of the house, and I will wait for you here.' Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha says, "We went away. I wore ihram for Umrah, performed circumambulation of the house of Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, marched between Safa and Marwa, returned to Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam while he sallallahu alaihi wasallam was right there even at midnight. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, 'Have you got free from Umrah?' I submitted, 'Yes.' He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then commanded his companions radiyallahu anhum to depart. While journeying, when he sallallahu alaihi wasallam passed by Allah's house, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam performed circumambulation of Allah's house before the morning prayer. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then set out for Medina Munawwara. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 2914.